Well done on taking the time to press pause. I'm Florence, and today I will be guiding you to become truly present, to simply tune in and connect with yourself again. So whenever you're ready, make yourself comfortable, either by sitting nice and upright on a chair or a sofa with your feet on the floor, or by lying down on your bed or on the ground, on the grass, and gently closing your eyes. Begin by taking a couple of cleansing breaths, acknowledging that this is your time, deeply breathing in and exhaling with a sigh. And again, breathing in and letting go with your exhale. And then return to your natural way of breathing. Give yourself permission to land in the now, letting go of everything that has already happened today, letting go of all that needs to happen next. Your list to do can wait. Simply let it go. Let go of the past and let go of the future. Bring your awareness back to the present. Become aware of your breath as it is. No force, no pressure. Just notice how it is. Experiencing each breath only experienced once. Each breath allowing you to be truly present. Every time your mind gets distracted, just simply bring it back to your anchor, your breath, knowing that you are safe, you are present. Now bring your awareness from your breath to your heart and notice the change as you do so. Calm, peace, rest. Connecting with the energy of your heart. Imagine a flower or a light at the center of your heart. Connect with it and ask, how am I feeling today? Don't get caught up in the stories as per why you're feeling this way. Just simply name the feeling, giving it attention, acknowledging it, letting it be, breathing deeply. With your next breath in, connect with where the emotion is located in your body. Perhaps you can feel it in your chest, your abdomen, perhaps at the base of your skull or your forehead, or maybe on your back. Just connect with that area of your body, and with your next breath in, bring your inhale right there, and releasing with your exhale. Breathing in, bringing energy, fresh oxygen to that area, and breathing out, letting go of tension. Acknowledging your heart's feeling acknowledging the message your body is giving you. Breathing deeply, giving yourself love, compassion, and then letting go of tension with your next exhale. Breathing deeply. Now simply follow my lead to deepen your breath further. Breathing in on a count of 4, hold at the top of your breath for 3, and breathing out for 4, holding at the bottom of your breath for 3. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, in, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3. Carry on at your own pace, your own rhythm. Now let's lengthen your exhale a little bit more. Breathing in for 4, hold for 3, and breathing out for more than 4. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and more. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and more. Carrying on at your own pace, your own rhythm, knowing that as you lengthen your exhale, you're letting go of any remaining tension, letting go of toxins, and letting go of any stale air. Nourishing inhale, relaxing exhale. Repeat after me in your head. I am where I need to be on my path. I am not ahead. I am not behind. This is my time. I am exactly where I need to be on my path. Placing your hands on your heart center. Repeat after me in your head. A kind and caring heart. A healthy and joyful body. An alert and reflective mind. And lightness of being. With your next inhale, start feeling the contact of your body on the sofa, the chair, or the bed. Making subtle movements to awaken your body. Bringing your awareness back to the room or the place that you're in. And whenever you're ready, you can gently open your eyes.